In front of me is MEIZU mBlu 21 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Then scroll down to click on Security and Privacy. Scroll down again and click on Device Unlock. Now you need to select Screen Lock and tap on one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. Create it. Hit Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Then select Confirm, also at the bottom right corner. Following that, you need to answer this question: how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? By tapping on one of those options. Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. Whatever you decided, when you finished, hit Done at the bottom right corner and go back. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!